Hello, what is going on YouTube? It's Supreme Guru and I'm back with another video. I've got a bit of a sore throat, so I apologise for the audio in this video. It's not ideal, I sound a bit like a croaky frog. In this video we're going to be looking at the iPhone and I'm going to be showing you how to increase the font size on your iPhone. So if you've recently just purchased a new iPhone or a new iPad or even an iPod, then I'm going to show you how to increase the size of the writing. It's a good thing that you can now do this on smartphones instead of straining your eyes. Believe it or not, there's a lot of people out there that don't actually realize this, so that is the reason and the purpose as to why I'm doing this video. So if this is your first time here clicking into one of my videos, then hello and welcome. Basically what I do is tech tutorials. Basically my videos are explaining how to set up certain things, so it can range from how to send an email, how to set up an email address on iPhones and also on Android phones. If any of that stuff interests you at all and you want to get the best out of your phone, just subscribe to my channel because there is quite a lot of helpful tutorials on there. So I'm going to show you how to increase the font size on your iPhone through these easy steps. So follow me with these instructions. So you want to go to your settings and then you want to scroll down until you get to display and brightness. So it's the little icon here with the two capital A's. Let's click on that. Okay, so we do have a lot of options here, but what we're sticking to in this video is text size. So I'm going to tap into that. And you can see at the bottom here, you do have a slider to be able to adjust the text size. So this is the example of what the text is going to look like. So just keep an eye as to what this is going to fall. I can hear it. Just keep an eye out for me sliding this and you'll see, yep. Let's slide up again. Up again, up again. Okay, and it fell again. And then whenever you've selected your text size, your preferred text size, all you want to do is hit that back button and you can see that that writing has totally increased. And there we go, that's how easy it is to change the text size on your phone. So if you found this video helpful, just give it a wee like. If you do want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. I am Supreme Guru and until next time, peace.